Herbal teas have been consumed for centuries for their potential health benefits. While individual responses can vary, here are some herbal teas and their associated health benefits. 1. Peppermint tea. Benefits: helps with digestion, alleviates bloating and gas, and may ease tension headaches. 2. Chamomile tea. Benefits: known for its calming properties, chamomile tea may help with sleep, relaxation, and reducing stress. 3. Ginger tea. Benefits: aids digestion, reduces nausea, and has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also help alleviate symptoms of the common cold. 4. Turmeric tea. Benefits: contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help reduce inflammation and support joint health. 5. Green tea. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, green tea has been linked to a variety of health benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, and cognitive function. 6. Hibiscus tea. Benefits: may help lower blood pressure, has antioxidant properties, and supports heart health. 7. Lemon balm tea. Benefits: known for its calming effects, lemon balm tea may help reduce anxiety and improve mood. 8. Dandelion root tea. Benefits: acts as a diuretic supporting kidney function. It may also aid digestion and help reduce water retention. 9. Nettle tea. Benefits: rich in vitamins and minerals, nettle tea may help alleviate allergies, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. 10. Echinacea tea. Benefits: often consumed during cold and flu seasons, echinacea tea is believed to boost the immune system and reduce the severity and duration of illnesses. 11. Rosehip tea. Benefits: high in vitamin C and antioxidants, rosehip tea supports immune health and may have anti-inflammatory properties. 12. Lavender tea. Benefits: known for its calming and stress-relieving properties, lavender tea may help improve sleep and relaxation. 13. Licorice root tea. Benefits: supports digestive health and may help soothe an upset stomach. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. 14. Cinnamon tea. Benefits: may help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and has antioxidant properties. 15. Chaga mushroom tea. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, chaga tea is believed to support immune health and have anti-inflammatory properties. When incorporating herbal teas into your routine, it's essential to be mindful of individual sensitivities or allergies. Moreover, while herbal teas can complement a healthy lifestyle, they should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you have specific health concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or wellness routine.